Let's bring in Altagracia Pierre Outerbridge tonight, founder of Outerbridge Law Firm. She handles immigration cases, including asylum cases. Altagracia, thank you for being here. Migrants who are at the border right now, we keep seeing reported they consider themselves refugees, but legally speaking, because you handle these cases, if you've already entered the United States, can you be considered a refugee?
No, I mean, that would be where usually you seek asylum, right? If you're at the border, you can seek asylum from the border. And usually the best way to get asylum is at the border. So while people are criticizing, some people may be criticizing these my Haitian people, the way to get asylum is to present yourself at the border. This is the proper way. That is the law, right? That is the general law on asylum. The other way is to come into the U.S., illegally or through whatever other process, and seek asylum within a year.
Understood. Okay, so they'd be asylees. I think that terminology is helpful because we have a general idea of what that process is like. This camp has been cleared out, and a lot of Democrats, I don't need to tell you, Altagracia, are furious at this point about the deportations, about the enforcement efforts they've seen. Texas Congresswoman SHEILA Jackson-Lee told me this. Listen real quick.
We need to have a humanitarian narrative that needs access to asylum, access to the immigration options as it relates to sponsors and families that other migrants have had. But we do not need to show or emphasize the Title 42 deportation, where it looks as if Haitian migrants are being deported more than anyone else.
In a nutshell, they're saying all the Central Americans, Mexican people who come up through the border are being treated better than Haitian migrants. Is that true?
That has always been the case. People of a darker skin tone have had an issue basically everywhere, right? That's just what we carry with us. Very much the immigration system is very flawed, very racist. I'm gonna say it. I myself went through it. I went through it for 15 years. So I know it. We know that the laws are not applied the same. The accords that the U.S. makes with other countries, European or otherwise, are not there for Haiti.
Okay, tell me more about that. Are you saying that the actual policies, like if one country is overrepresented in the population, you might wait a lot longer before you can become a legal citizen? Or are you saying it's when you go into the office? I've been in these offices with family, and you get interviewed, that it's actually representatives of the government saying, I don't like darker people?
No, it's really systemic, right? It's systemic. We know that a lot of immigration, even as it relates to people who immigrate using economic means, right? We know that the people that we're seeing now don't have the means. There are many ways to immigrate, business ways to immigrate, and that's not really going to include as many people of color. So there are many ways that the system rewards people who have the means to retain an attorney, right? That the caps on immigration also are not the same, right? So we know that if you're Mexican, to go against your point, but if you're Mexican, it's very hard. The length of time before you get to your priority date, which is
Indian.
Correct. It's very it's very long. Some countries are shorter than others, and how it's determined, it's racist. I'm just going to say it.
What is the option? Because a lot of Haitians are now sitting in limbo across the border in Mexico, which also doesn't know what to do with them at this point. Would they be able to go to an official port of entry and apply there?
So that's exactly what the administration is saying is happening, that these people, that since the outrage, as these people are being processed, a lot of them are being processed as asylees, as seeking asylum. So they're getting something called an NTA, which is a notice to appear, wherein you appear before an immigration judge. And that's what's supposed to happen.
Boy, Altagracia Pierre Outerbridge, thank you for taking us through the legal complexities, but also speaking personally, because I think that's a really important element. I appreciate it.
See you soon.